Hi, I'm Evi Dimitriadou, a certified yoga therapist by the International Association of Yoga Therapists, a physiotherapy graduate from Manchester University, and I'm currently doing a master's degree in psychology and neuroscience of mental health at King's College in London. In addition to running a yoga therapy clinic, I'm the program director of Yoga Therapy Greece, where we educate about yoga therapy. I would like to share with you in this short video what we do for people who have asthma. Asthma is one of the most common non-communicable diseases. According to World Health Organization, non-communicable diseases such as asthma, COPD, diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, and cancer are a result of a combination of behavioral, physiological, environmental, and genetic factors, and are responsible for almost 70% of all deaths worldwide. Lack of physical activity alone is responsible for 6 to 10% of all non-communicable diseases-related deaths. This is the reason world experts keep mentioning the imperative need for physical activity to people with non-communicable diseases. And this is where yoga therapy can be extremely helpful. I have worked with many people who have asthma, and we always start by exploring their breathing patterns, bringing awareness to the breath and learning how to breathe slowly and deeply, elongating mostly the exhalation. We all know that asthma is a respiratory condition that can be quite risky during an attack. We also know that stress can trigger asthma attacks. Well, yoga therapy is known for being effective in teaching how to breathe and how to better manage stress levels. In yoga therapy, we always share simple rescue tools in the case of an asthma attack, but mostly we focus on establishing a healthy breathing capacity and ways to self-manage the stress levels and gain a feeling of control over asthma. By gaining breathing awareness and by learning how to breathe slowly and deeply, elongating mostly the exhalation, we learn how to self-regulate the nervous system and possible strong emotions. The nervous system is highly related to the respiratory system. In fact, the breath is the first function affected by the nervous system and the way experiences are interpreted in the brain, in the mind. By learning how to bring awareness to the breath and how to slow it, we learn how to lower the stress levels and how to cope better when we are stressed. In addition to learning how to breathe slowly and deeply, we shift the mind to a more positive state, enabling us to feel at ease, more peaceful, and even more joyful. We do this by chanting or repeating positive affirmations, personal positive affirmations, something proven and used extensively in corporate environments and for behavioral change. We also do this through short, recorded, guided relaxations based on each individual. Robust research studies have shown that these guided relaxations have a huge effect on releasing tension from the body and the mind, reduce stress levels, balance the nervous system, enhance safety and peace. Through a very careful body and movement assessment, either live in person or working online, we gradually introduce appropriate to the individual movements that release tension from the body and particularly from the chest and the shoulders, where in case of asthma, is mostly accumulated. Through short personal yoga therapy practice and mostly breathing practices, specifically designed for each person and further developed in every session, the individual is then able to practice safely at home or at the workplace. People learn how to breathe deeply and slowly, how to manage any asthma attack until they have no attacks and no symptoms anymore, and how to build a healthy breathing capacity. Through a well-structured yoga therapy sequence with all the yoga tools, modified to body and posture, breath, energy levels, thoughts, beliefs, expectations, and of course, the lifestyle and the symptoms, we have supported many people with asthma and mostly young ones. And we're grateful they believed in us and they allowed us to make a difference in their lives. I hope you found this of interest and helpful. Please share it with people who have asthma so they know something can be done and that they can be understood, valued, and supported. For more information, please visit our website www.yogatherapygreece.com or our Facebook page, Yoga Therapy in Greece, or our YouTube channel, Yoga Therapy Greece. Thank you very much for your time.